Hi, I'm Silvia Kuhle.
And I'm Jeff Allsbrook from Standard Architecture and Design.
Today we're in the Hollywood Hills in Los Angeles at the Forest Knoll house.
We designed this house to be 3 parallel volumes with gabled roofs. Each one is 2 stories, with the middle one being a 2-story double height space.
Let's have a look.
We're standing in the central volume of the house right now, and we've entered under the mezzanine that connects the 2 upper floors of the house.
It's gabled and it's about 26 foot tall, and it's really the central entertaining space.
As in most of our projects, we've used natural materials throughout the house. In this volume, we've clad the walls and the ceiling with oak paneling.
But the thing people really notice in this space is all this expansive glass which opens up views over Los Angeles. We have 3 10-foot tall pivot doors, and you can walk out into the pool and into the sunshine.
There's also more intimate entertainment spaces on the east side of the house, and we're going to go there now. We're currently standing on the bar area, and we've got currently a cocktail kind of lounge situation. And then beyond the bar, we've got a huge cinema with a great sound system.
And from here you go upstairs into the guest wing. There are 3 bedrooms, all with amazing views. And adjacent to the bedrooms is a huge terrace. But my favorite thing about that wing is actually right down here. You can look all the way across the house. And the west wing is where we're gonna go next. Now we're in the west wing, upstairs in the primary bedroom. It has amazing views over the city. And towards the north of me are 2 large closets. Both of them are connected. And if you walk past those closets, you enter into a light-filled bathroom. The shower in the bathroom goes all across this wing from one side to the other. There's a freestanding bathtub which has views over the city, and there's also skylights over the vanity.
And downstairs below us is the kitchen family space. It's a large open space that also faces south, so you can sit in the morning and look out over the city. The kitchen is also using the same natural oak cabinetry like the floor, and we use Basaltina countertops. And then behind the family kitchen, there's another catering kitchen. If you're having a large party, you can have the caterers use that kitchen and service the dining in the main space. Behind the 2 kitchens, there's a mudroom and a laundry room.
In Los Angeles, the backyard is really the focal point of every house. Let's go there next.
So now we're standing in the rear yard of Forest Knoll, where the patios extend out from the living spaces, and you've got various seating groups with a fire pit in the center, and it all ends in this huge infinity pool where you can put the furniture on the Baja shelf and sit in the water with your expansive views over Los Angeles. The ultimate California experience.
Thank you so much for joining us on this tour. It was really a labor of love to work on Forest Knoll. Now we're off to our next project. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?